Howdy, thanks for joining me. I'm Wayne. Today we're going Domino's. We're going to get that Italian sub sandwich. Is it good? Stay with us. We'll let you know. Here we are. They come in a nice little box here. All right. Open that box up. They've cut it in half for me. Boy, this thing is hot, so woo! I'm going to have to be careful here so it doesn't drip on me. Now this is the Italian. It comes with pepperoni, cheese, slice of provolone, green peppers, ham, banana peppers, and onions. Whoa, that's a lot of stuff. See all that in there? Look at that. Woo! And it is hot. Man. Mm-hmm. Mystery drink. What is it? Leave me a comment down below if you think you know what it is. You'll probably get this, and I used it before. I watched them cook these sandwiches. They lay the bread open, spread everything on it, run it through their oven like pizza with it open. It comes out, they close it, slice it in half, put it in the box. That's pretty neat. Hmm. It is hot. Sorry, I don't want to talk with my mouth full. Have you tried this yet? It's actually pretty good. Pepperoni and ham both. 2 cups of cheese, peppers, not the jalapeno peppers. Bread gets a little harder when they run through that oven, but all right. Hmm. Got 2 types of cheese on it. Regular cheese, I guess that's American. Provolone, they put a slice of it on there. You tried this yet? Need to go check this out. They're they're pretty good. Mystery drink, what is it? Leave me a comment down below. Something you want to see me try, leave me a comment down below. See if I can get it up here for you. Pretty good at that. We do our best to do it. As long as we can get within driving distance. They cut it in half, so this is the half of the sandwich. It is good warm. All right, go check out our playlist. Be under Domino's. Everybody has their own. Domino's, Pizza Hut, Subway, whatever, okay? And everything is under taste test. This will be under both. Go check them out. Got more up there. Got more coming. Hot. I do like those two types of cheese in there, though. I got it over a napkin because I already dripped a little bit on me. This is good. We'll rate this for you in just a minute. Remember, though, the rating is strictly my opinion, mine only. You may differ. That's mine. If you haven't tried this yet, go check it out. This is the Italian sub sandwich from Domino's. I'm going to rate this. One more mystery drink. Okay, on a scale of 1 to 5, 1 being 5 being, yeah, buddy, I could give this 3 3/4. I think it's pretty good. Y'all need to check it out and let me know what you think. Remember, the rating is strictly my opinion and my opinion only, so you may differ from me, and that's fine. If you do, leave me a comment down below and tell me what you think. Would you like it? Did you like it better? Did you like it worse? Did you hate it? You love it? Whatever. Okay? Go check out the playlist. Be under Domino's and Taste Test. All right? Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. And hey, we want to thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe so you don't miss any. Got a lot more of these up there. Go check out the playlist and leave us a comment. Tell us what you think, what you want to see. And check out the description below for the links to Amazon. You'll find a lot of things that we make videos on. Links there. Go check them out. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. And see you next time.